Hi, good day again. So, we're going to discuss how to save your files in PowerPoint. So, click File, Save As. Saan mo gustong ilagay na folder? Pwedeng sa desktop, okay? Pero as a rule of thumb, kinakailangan nilalagay mo to sa My Documents. So, nasan ba yung My Documents mo? Ito, My Documents. Gawa ka ng folder mo doon. Okay, right-click, for example, New. Ang folder name ko ay Marquez. Okay. The file name is, meron na palang Marquez. Babasa dyan. Okay, ang file name niya ay Introduction, Movie. PowerPoint. Okay. Save as type, may mga save as type. Pag PowerPoint lang siya. Okay? You can also choose PowerPoint 97 to 2003 presentation. The difference between the two, pag sinave mo yung PowerPoint presentation mo using this one, selecting PowerPoint presentation, ma-open mo siya sa mga 2007 na PowerPoint hanggang ngayon sa latest. Pero hindi mo siya ma-open sa mga lumang version ng PowerPoint, yung 97 to 2003, etc. So, it's better for you, i-select mo PowerPoint presentation, save, okay. And then, file save as ka again, mag-save as ka, save mo siya as 97 to 2003 para pwede mong ma-open yung PowerPoint presentation mo anywhere. File, save as tayo. Ang gagawin ko naman ngayon, isi-save ko tong PowerPoint presentation as a movie. Okay. So, MPEG 4 video. Select mo yan. MPEG 4 video. Click. Okay. Save. So, tingnan nga natin kung ano itsura na nun. Yung video na ginawa natin. So, let's go to Documents. New folder lang yun. Hindi ko siya inan. Ayan. Alam mo, papansin nyo sa icons. Okay, look, oh. Diba? Ang icon nito, pang VLC media file. So, pag inopen ko yan, ay, hindi pa siya nagsisave pala. Sorry. Yan, okay na. Pansinin nyo. Movie na yan. So, you can play it in your media file in your cell phones, especially mga Android phones. Ang mahirap lang dyan, yan, di ba? Pati yung animations kasama na. But dun, eto kasi ang gamit ko is Windows 8. I don't know sa Windows 7. This is 13. Microsoft Office 13. 2013. So, eto yung 97 to 2003 presentation format. Eto naman yung sa PowerPoint. Okay. So, alam na natin kung paano mag-save in 3 formats. First, yung current format, wherein you can open it in the new versions, 2007 to the current one. And then, nag-save as tayo for the later version, yung mga dati, yung mga luma-lumang version, yung 97 hanggang 2003. Tapos, nakapag-save as na tayo as a movie file. And then, for now, gagawa naman tayo. We're going to edit. For example, gagawa tayo ng invitation. So, let's add a new slide para hindi tayo malito. For this one, or you can copy this na lang para mabilis. How to delete a slide? Click mo yung slide, delete. Press delete on the keyboard. Or right-click, delete slide. For this one, gagawa tayo ng invitation. O pwede nyo siya mapaprint sa mga photo line. Picture City, Kodak. Saan pa? Tronics. Okay. Let's add or let's insert another one. For example, ganyan lang, simple lang. Tapos kayo nang bahalang magpaganda. Okay, file, save as. Lagyan natin sa documents, my folder. What do you like? So, the extension name for pictures are JPEG, GIF, PNG, TIFF, or TIFF. Pero the best one, the best format is the JPEG. So, this one. JPEG. For the JPEG format, click mo lang, save. Okay. May questions. Which slides do you want to export or to save as a picture? All slides or just these ones? Yung just these ones, yung pinaka-last slides na ginawa natin. Yung naglagay tayo ng 3rd birthday, Zari Atina. Okay, for example, just these ones lang. Okay? Like, tingnan natin yung folder natin, ha? Kung nag-save nga siya. Okay, eto na yon. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nung inopen natin siya, saan nyo na-view? Hindi naman sa PowerPoint, di ba? Na-view mo siya. Okay, dito sa photo viewer. So, it means, this is a photo or this is a picture. You can upload it in your Facebook account. Okay, the other one. Let's save. Save as document, new folder. Let's save it as a JPEG again, but then we're going to save. We're going to save it as all slides. Pag all slides, it will create a new folder. Okay? Tapos, ang folder name nun, yung kanyang save as file name or name niya. Okay? So, nakalagay doon, ito yung file name niya kanina, di ba? Movie_PowerPoint all. Yan ang magiging folder name niya. So, wag kayong mawawala mamaya. So, let's see kung nag-save na siya. Ang bilis, di ba? Ayan. Yan na yung kanyang folder name. And then, ang bilang niya is slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see. This is 1. Yan. Okay. That's all, class.